Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to get your referral code on get.io. If you want to get your referral code on get.io that you can use to invite your friends and earn some money, click on more. Unlike Kukoin that you get your referral code on finance, referral code in get.io is located in orders, which is the second button on this first line. Click on it and use the code, the link that is going to be displayed here, which is this link, referral link. Copy it successfully and use it to invite your friends and get some good points, as in make some little money by referring and inviting more people to sign up with your referral link. So this is how you can get your referral link in get.io. If this is your first time of being to my YouTube channel, please consider hitting the subscription button and also the bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. If you have any question, please drop your question on the comment section below this video, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and share this video so that other guys will get information on how to use this app.